So here are the things that you need for your lazy as fuck short rib chili. So of course you're going to need your short ribs, and I have them seasoned up in this bag, marinating, ready to go. You're going to need your crock pot because this is a slow cooking process. I have it preheated on high. You're going to need some spaghetti sauce, diced tomatoes, and the beans of your choice. These are the beans that I'm using. The chili beans, I usually drain the fluid. I don't drain the fluid. I don't drain the fluid of the chili beans. But I like color and texture with my food, so these two are drained. The fluids are. Of course, you're going to need your chili seasoning. I like putting fresh garlic in there and whatever seasonings that you choose to use. I started off by putting the tomatoes in there first and allowing them to sit in there for about a half an hour before I added my beans. So I've added the cans of beans, and the first thing I'm doing is I am going to stir it up. And that is one of the reasons why I like having the different colors, because I just love seeing the color and texture of the different types of beans mixed in there. The gravy that you're seeing in there is from the can of chili beans. That's why I don't drain it, because it just coats the rest of the beans a nice one. So I'm going to add my seasonings and I'll be right back. I am not doing a measurement of the seasonings, is more so of sight. Okay, this is what it's looking like with some of the seasonings added in. And forgive me if the camera shakes a few times. It's because I'm holding it in my hand. I'm going to let this simmer for about an hour on the high temperature, and I'm going to go to the next step. So my next step is to braise my short ribs, which is just browning them. Like I said, they're already seasoned. I have this on medium heat with just a drizzle of olive oil. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brown the short ribs on both sides before I add it into the crock pot. You can season your short ribs however you choose to. But it's just basically, you see how quick that brown is because I have it on medium heat. You're not cooking it all the way. All you're doing is just giving that the little burn. And when I finish, I'll be right back. On a side note, since I had a couple extra pizzas, I always like to simmer them in tomato sauce. If you know anything about tomato sauce produces water. So they're going to slow cook here on the stove. But we're going to deal with this right here. This is my braised short ribs, and we're about to add it to my beans. Now this has been cooking for about an hour or so, and I want to add my short ribs to the equation. First I'm just setting them on top, and yes, the bone is still in there because as it's slowly cooking, it is going to disintegrate off of that bone. So I have my guys, so it's been about 4 to 5 hours of slow cooking my short rib chili, and let's take a pew, honey. And wish we had smell-o-vision because this joint's smelling nice. Okay, taste tester, are you ready to try some of this deliciousness?
Yup.
Alright. Let's scoop a little bit into your bowl. Only a little bit, because you know how you do. You want some cheese on that?
And do I do?
Let's sprinkle a little cheese on there. Alrighty. So, give it a taste.
Perfecto.
Is that meat tender though?
It's perfecto.
What about the beans?
Perfecto.
Everything perfecto? You hear it. You heard it from the expert. This is my lazy as fuck short rib chili. If you are inclined and you like seeing foodie videos like this, then definitely give me a thumbs up. A thumbs up lets me know that you like it, and it also sends out that positivity. Go ahead and send out that positivity. I ain't gonna tell nobody. And also, if you're inclined, hit the subscribe button and join my family. This was so much fun and easy to do. You hear that? Easy, because I got other things to do, girl. I know you do too. And it was so effortless. So if you would like some more food videos like that, then definitely hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.